This was our prediction on our gold. We're anticipating for a buy on. I told you guys that clearly that gold will be bullish, and it did exactly what we to do. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button and also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on the next updates we'll be putting out for you guys there. So gold is very clearly a bullish move, and we were expecting to give us more. Now take a look at this gold. So if this is your high and this is your higher low, this is also seen as the higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Now this is also our higher high. So our next movement on gold and higher low, right? So if you would be expecting anything on right now, especially for day traders, you should be expecting a higher low, which is a pullback. So once you get the higher low, which is your pullback, you can now go ahead and go in for your buy on gold. So at the end of the day, we still expect gold was a bullish move, right? We still anticipating for more movement to the upside on our gold. But first, you would want your pullback to play out. So once your pullback plays out finish, you can now go ahead and take in your buy for your gold. So gold will still give us a bullish move for you. So let's see if markets will push up on this our 1 hour time frame, push up on this 1 hour time frame, and then a pullback. Then you can now go ahead and upload in your trend line. Once your pullback plays out and probably taps your trend line, you can go ahead and take in your buy again that will eventually push up. So for the day, we are still expecting a bullish move on gold. If there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So subscribe for you to start on